everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from your iPhone over to your Samsung device, and this is super simple. So what we want to do is on our Android phone, go on over to the Google Play Store, and then go down to search on the bottom, and we want to get an application called Samsung Samsung Smart Switch. So let's go to the top, and then go to that Samsung Smart Switch, Samsung, and let's just type this all in, Smart Switch. Alright, so once we have this typed in, let's go down to this application, and you can see it's called here, Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. Click this, and then go to Open. Now, we want to go to Receive on this phone, then go to iPhone. Okay, we got that set up right now. Now we have to connect the phones together with a cable. So I have my iPhone connected with the cable, just with the iPhone charger. And then I have an OTG adapter. This converts USB to USB-C. I got this with my Android phone. All right, and this will allow me to plug it in and connect them, just like this. So you might have this with your phone somewhere in the box, just look. All right, so they're connected. Now this is going to connect to this phone, and it's doing this thing. Now you have to decide what you want to transfer over. So I'm just going to do applications and messages. I don't want to transfer over everything, otherwise it might take way too long. All right, so I can just do this, and I just have apps now and messages. Go to transfer on the bottom. Perfect. Then you have to choose which apps. So I'm not going to do Call of Duty Mobile, CapCut, or anything else. I'm just going to do WhatsApp. So I'm going to get rid of all this other stuff, and then go to Voice Reader. All right, so just WhatsApp on the top, and then go to Install. Then go to WhatsApp on your iPhone over here. Go down to Settings, and go to Move to Chats, or Move Chats to Android. Go to Start. And now it's going to do stuff on my Android phone over here, calculating the remaining time. Just make sure you have enough storage because it's going to transfer the apps. So let's type in my code. And you should be able to get all your messages now from this phone over to this phone on WhatsApp. So it's calculating the remaining amount of time, backing up. So it says I do not have enough storage on my SD card. So just make sure you have enough storage. And that's how you can easily complete this process, however. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.